In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow notifications from a specific website in Google Chrome 2020. Make sure the page has fully loaded so that all of the site options are available. Once you are on the website, look at the address bar at the top of Chrome. On the left side of that address, you will see a lock icon, or in some cases, a site information symbol. Click that icon to open a small menu with settings related to the website you are currently viewing. In that menu, look for the option called Site Settings and click on it. On the Site Settings page, find the Permissions section. Under that section, look for Notifications. Next to Notifications, you will see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and change the setting to Allow. By selecting Allow, you are giving that website permission to send notifications in Chrome. This means the site can now show alerts on your device when new content or updates are available, depending on how that website uses notifications. After you change the setting, Chrome may ask you to refresh the page. If it does, go ahead and refresh the website so the new permission can take effect properly. Once the page reloads, the website should now be able to send you notifications in Google Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.